Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Doing an unboxing today of the Monogram 1930 Ford Coupe. Ain't that a beaut? This here's 1/24 scale, Model A with rumble seat, Special Interest Series. Let's see here. We have a date on the kit of, can you read it? I don't know if it says 1996 or 1998. Let me look. Yep, I can't grab my... Yes, I can. It is 1998. Yep. The ever-popular Model A Ford lives again. Produced from 1928 to 1931, the Model A was the much-awaited entirely new car that replaced the famous Tin Lizzie Model T. Never understood that, how Model A came after T. I never got that. This model is a faithful reproduction of the 1930s Coupe. The interior is fully detailed. Hood lifts off to show the four-cylinder L-head engine. Rumble seat door opens and closes. Kit includes familiar spare wheel mounted on the rear, typical Ford grille, and clear plastic windows. Cement and paint not included. Copyright 1974 was when the kit must have just come out for the first time. By Monogram, you know. Someone else may have done it. Alright, here we go. We have some... Whew, that's a harsh green, guys. I'm sorry. I love green, but oh, that's a rough one. It's like a Andes mint green, which is nice for Andes mints, but not so much on a model car. Holy cow. Let me see here. And this being 1/24 scale, you'd think it would be bigger, but it actually feels smaller than a 1/25 scale. There's the body. Not a whole lot going on there. Very well defined lines and door hinges. Yep. Very nice. We have numbers on the inside. It says 7551-0710 and a 10. No, that's a 9. That's 19 on the bottom there. And here is the roof assembly. Nice. That's really hefty. So that's a metal roof, not a cloth roof. Yeah. Pretty cool. Nice front hood and side fender pieces. And last of the green colored parts, we have the rumble seat trunk lid, firewall, some front and backs of spoke wheels, and one for the spare. Very cool. And then this simplistic dashboard. Wow, there ain't much there. Alright. That's pretty slick. I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the bag. I'm afraid this one piece is going to fall off and I'll be miserable because I lost it, you know. Yep, there it is. It fell off right as I put it in the bag. That's funny. Okay. Alrighty guys, now we have some black parts. Molded in black. Must be the fender section. And everything else, right? Okay, first up we have spring suspension for, I think that's for the rear. And then this piece, which, oh, I thought it said something. It's a door piece, but I don't know if that's warped. You see the curve to it? I don't know if it's warped or made that way. We'll have to flatten it out if it's warped. Shove that back in the bag. And here we have the fender section. And something right here. Not sure what that is. copyright 1974. I don't know if you can pick that up. Okay. Here's all the suspension parts, top of the engine, radiator, more front suspension, rear suspension, beautiful steering wheel. Love that old steering wheel. That's so cool. Some radiator hoses and some steering linkage parts, it looks like, and those probably are like the wheel inserts where the hubcaps go, I think. That's just a guess. And here we have wheel covers, which I guess are the wheels. They're a plastic wheel, halves, yep. They go inside each other and you shove one of them other things in there. There's some more in here. Oh, you know what? These are rubber. This is plastic, so this is most likely the spare tire. And the other ones are vinyl. And this one's plastic. These are kind of nice. Look like bicycle tires. They say nothing on them. Nothing that I can read, at least. Okay. Here's the frame. And just like that other kit I did the other day, this is a little bit on the weak side. You know, I'm sure it'll hold up because you're not going to be rolling it around and playing with it, but you'd think it'd be a little bit sturdier. But again, it was from whatever year I said it was from. I don't even remember now. Isn't that funny? 1998. Yeah. And here's the other door panel, which also has the same curve in the same spot. Opposite side, mirror side, so it must be intentional, which is good to know. Little pouch there for holding your maps or whatever, and little door handle, and a lever to open the door. And here we have interior parts. I think that's upside down, that goes that way, yep. This is the rumble seat here and here. Bottom of the interior tub, which wooden floor simulation there. Paint those up with some nice wood colors, that looks slick. Front suspension, exhaust, little fan, look at that, little 2-blade fan. And this would be the engine. I don't remember if they said what that was, what the engine is. Yeah, I'll have to look it up and maybe it'll say it on the instructions there. Obviously a flathead. Yeah. Oh, was this the one with the L engine? Or was that previous video? That was the other one, that 57 Ford I did the other day. Here's some more parts. Or I did this one. Yep, we did this one, guys. I just thought I'd show it to you again. It's because that steering wheel, I really liked it. So there's that steering wheel again. Alrighty, here we have some chrome parts. I have the radiator grill. Big old shifter, big long shifter. Need that for leverage. Windshield frame with the wiper on it. The headlights with the license plate molded to it. That's cool. Some bumper guards for the rear, I guess. I don't see the front. Oh, here's the front bumper here. It's on an angle. There it is there. And some miscellaneous pieces. Little hood ornament, radiator cap. Some little wheel things and maybe a little dot for your dashboard. Yep, pretty cool. Here we have decals, which are Michigan as a top plate, Land of Lincoln, that'll be Illinois, and then Ford 1930. Those are kind of cool. Yeah, and then the Ford Oval, 1998 monogram, Revell monogram. And here we have, oh, there's a tree of clear parts on the bottom hiding. We got the, I don't know if you can see it better that way or this way. There's windshield and side glass, headlights, and little tiny little marker lights. Alrighty. I'll go ahead and put that back in the box. And we have the instructions. We'll get through this one real quick, guys. I won't keep you any longer. Usual info here. Different kind of decal sheet. Yeah, look at that. This is the back side, the front and the back together. Talk about all the goodies that go on there. Painting your model. Nice little ledger there to tell you, some suggestions. Beautiful looking kit. I can't wait till it's finished. This would be a nice one to display. Excuse me. Put it together. Where's the engine? Here's the engine. But they don't tell you what it is. I have to do some research on that one. I'm not sure on that one, guys. If I figure it out before I get the video edited, I'll pop it up in there somewhere. Yep, there's that plastic spare tire holder. That's cool. Oh, that thing, I didn't know what it was. That's to hold the spare tire up. It goes up under the rear of the vehicle. That's cool. Very nice, very nice. Very well thought out on that one. Well, that's it, guys. That's the Monogram 1930 Ford Coupe Special Interest Series. I'm going to look deeper into that. I don't remember that series. Well, that's all that she wrote, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Have a fantastic day. We'll catch you on the next one.